Google just introduced one of their most powerful image generation models called Nano Banana. In today's video, I'm going to show you two use cases that I'm using in my real estate business to help me scale up to 6-7 figures in real estate revenue. The first use case is I'm going to use it to generate YouTube thumbnails so I can get more clicks and make sure the videos get more views. And the second, I'm going to show you how to use the Nano Banana model for my listing photography. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is the video that I created before, which is never buy these types of homes. And for this one, this is the current thumbnail. What I want to do is I'm going to use Google to create a better thumbnail that gets more clicks, that gets better, that gets more engagement. So the more views I get, the more leads I'm going to get, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to come to the video right here, and then I'm going to come here and say show transcript. And then I'm going to copy the first 30 seconds or so of the transcript, because when you're creating video thumbnail, you want to make sure the first 30, the 1 minute, the first 10 seconds, 30 seconds or so matches your thumbnail. That's called a click to introduction ratio, matching ratio. So when it matches, the viewer is more likely to stay and watch the video for a longer period of time. Therefore, that's how you get more views, right? So once we get the first copy right here, we're going to come back to gemini.google.com. This is free. I am on the pro plan, but you can access it for free. I'm going to say create 3 viral YouTube thumbnail idea that gets clicks and views using the video title and transcript below. So here is, I pasted my transcript, and I'm going to say my title is Never Buy These Type of Homes. Feel free to change the title as well. And then we're going to see this one is going to generate a couple of ideas to show us how they would, because YouTube is created by or is hosted and managed by Google, and Gemini is trained on Google's access to different data. So when I'm creating viral YouTube ideas and YouTube topics or YouTube titles, I would like to use a tool from Google. So here we go. It says thumbnail idea on the financial trap. Losing money. Okay, good. I mean, this could fit. I like this idea. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to come back to Canva, and I'm going to download this base thumbnail right here that I created before. And then I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to upload this thumbnail right here. And then I'm going to go to tools and use this one right here. You see the little banana logo? That's the Nano Banana engine, image engine. And then I'm going to say apply idea 1 to this image. Okay. All right, here is the updated thumbnail. Okay, they actually changed the font, and they created the arrow. They created a little small arrow right here and the money pit right here. So we're going to say remove the small arrow in the middle. Looks fantastic. So now I'm going to download this, and I'm going to upload it using it as my new thumbnail. Perfect. So now I know I have a better chance to know that this is a video that gets more clicks, that improves my click-through rate, my CTR, and that's one way to use the new Nano Banana image model for my real estate business. And by the way, if you're interested in learning more about AI tips, AI guides, and AI automation for your real estate business, you can join my free AI for Realtor community using the link down below. You get access to courses, to tips, to all the resources that you see here on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested, you can join for free using the link down below. All right, the next one we're going to talk about is how we can use it for my listing. So I've done some experience before. So currently I have a listing that is in the Austin area, and I'm going to show you how I'm using it to improve my real estate photography. So right now, there are some photos right here. Let's just see. Let's use this one. Here is a image that we have. I'm gonna show you. Let's see if I can make it full screen right here. Here's what the image looks like right here. Okay, so I want to say let's remove all the furniture to see what it looks like without the furniture right here in the living room. We're gonna say remove all of the furnitures in this picture. Okay, so you remove the furnitures in the back, but not here in the middle. So sometimes this is the issue of prompting, right? If I didn't prompt it correctly, or if I didn't really do a good job at prompting and communicating with the model, it will not do what I expected. But it did remove the paintings, the pictures, and it did remove the furniture in the back. Remove the couch and the carpet and the turntable and TV table. Okay, this did not work. I wonder why. Let's try to find it. Let's try to find a way to fix it. Remove the furnitures in the middle of this room. Perfect. See? So just by iterative prompting, you basically removed a lot of the work that you had to do using Photoshop, right? So you can also say add. Now, just removing it isn't what you really want. You can say add a, let's say, add a modern set of furniture in the middle of the room. Looks looks fantastic. As you can see, this is a very straightforward, very simple use case of removing and adding new furniture. You can even just replace the furniture in the middle. But this is how I'm using Nano Banana in my real estate business. One is changing the thumbnail, and another one is to upgrade and make AI furnished images for free using Nano Banana. For my listing photos. So if you're interested in learning more, learning the AI skill sets and learning AI courses for real estate agents, you can use the link to join my free community down below. And thank you for watching. See you next time.